In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Google Keyboard on Samsung phones. If you're using the default Samsung Galaxy phone keyboard, then you should notice that you need to use an extra keyboard, maybe if you want to get the best out of your Samsung Galaxy device. So in this case, I'm going to show you how to use or install Google Keyboard on Samsung phone. If I don't know this video, if you found this video helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first you want to do when you want to install the Google Keyboard on your Samsung phone is open the Google Play Store application on your phone. Once you open the Play Store application, click on this search box and search for gboard. Then click on this. So once you search for gboard, you see the Google Keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy phone. In my case, I already downloaded and installed this keyboard. Then make sure you download and install the keyboard on your Samsung phone. However, this keyboard is not going to be enabled automatically. You can easily enable the keyboard from the Google Play Store page by clicking on the enable button, or go to your Samsung phone settings to enable the Google Keyboard. So just click on enable. Now, once you've enabled the Google Keyboard, the next thing is to set the Google Keyboard as your default keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Now, to do this, all you need to do is open the settings application on your Samsung phone. On the settings page, scroll down and click on General Management. So just keep scrolling and click on General Management. Once you select General Management, scroll down and select Keyboard List and Default. Then scroll down and click on Keyboard List here. So the settings might be different depending on your Samsung phone. So then here I have the Samsung keyboard settings, Keyboard List and Default. So this is what you're going to type. Then tap that. Then here you can see I am using the Samsung default keyboard. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure you enable the Google Keyboard, which is gboard. Then click on OK from the pop-up. Then the Google Keyboard is enabled. Now, to not change the default keyboard from the Samsung keyboard to the Google Keyboard, click on this and then select gboard here. Once you selected gboard, you see the default keyboard sent to gboard. Then come back to maybe any chat application you're using. Then you should see the Google Keyboard replacing the Samsung default keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So if this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.